today some spicy hot honey glazed bacon. So let's do it. So to make our sweet and spicy hot honey glazed bacon, pop a frying pan on the hob, turn the heat down low and lay in some delicious smoked streaky bacon. You want to take your time cooking the bacon, and a great little trick, every few moments add a little splash of water. This will help to really render out the fat well and will get the bacon really nice and evenly crispy. So add a little dash of water, keep turning the bacon every few minutes and take your time to render out that beautiful bacon fat. So turn the bacon a few times, keep adding little dashes of water, let the water evaporate, and when it's beautiful golden brown, get the bacon out of the pan, drain off that and clean the pan out. Pop the crispy bacon pieces back in and scatter over a nice generous amount of some chili flakes. Be generous, the sweetness really takes off the edge. Soon as the chili flakes are in, drizzle over some honey. Soon as the honey's on, caramelize, keep turning the bacon so it gets a nice even glaze, and after a few moments, turn off the heat and just stick the pan to one side to allow them to cool down. And there we have it, some absolutely delicious hot honey glazed bacon. Sweet, spicy and smoky, so give it a try and I'll see you next time.